What's up guys, the Google Pixel Fold is coming. Google is focusing all of our attention to their upcoming Pixel 6, the unique pre-launch unveiling, multiple trailer videos and billboards, all eyes on the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro while they prepare a big surprise that is Google Pixel Fold. The first pure Android based foldable smartphone with custom Google chip and Pixel 6 cameras that will go head to head with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. According to multiple trusted sources, this smartphone is scheduled to come sometime later down this year, and now thanks to the first look at the upcoming Android 12.1, it seems more likely that this phone is indeed coming very soon. With Android 12.1, Google brings the very first glimpse of what features they have planned for their affordable Android UI. First up, we have the dual panel notification. Thanks to the larger 7.6-inch display, we have right side for notifications and left side for controls. Similar look to the lock screen as well. Then comes the App Split UI, which looks similar to the One UI 3.1 from Samsung, where apps will truly take advantage of that big screen. Then comes the most important feature, which is Google adding a brand new taskbar to the Android 12.1. This taskbar will allow you to open applications more swiftly and also go quickly into the split screen multitasking mode. And finally, there is also a change to the recent apps switcher. Now that's not all, the Android 12.1 source code also reveals another foldable phone that Google is working on, which will likely come next year. The code name Jumbo Jack was revealed, and according to the info from 9to5 Google, Android developers were using a mysterious Pixel device for a variety of software tests, including the poster of the phone such as half opened or flipped, which also reveals a possibility that Google may be looking to introduce a flip-type Pixel smartphone sometime in the future. With Android 12.1 being almost ready, it is a sign that Pixel Fold is coming, and if all goes well, we could see the glimpse of Pixel Fold at the Pixel 6 launch. So that's all the latest news. The Android 12.1 first glimpse shows off the Pixel Fold is coming. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think Google has any chance to compete with Samsung in the foldable segment? Let me know and subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next one.